Hi guys, I am student of Art of English. Today we are going to start conversation.
Okay.
May I word with you please?
Yes, my pleasure.
Is it you who teach English?
Yes, it's I who teaching it.
And where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Noida.
And how far is to Suneta from here?
Canada is about 2 kilometers from here.
Why do you come from Suneta?
Because it is my birthplace. That is my birthplace.
And do you have as many chairs as Akash?
No, I don't have as many chairs as others.
How many chairs are there in your home?
There are two chairs in my home.
Where are the chairs made?
The chairs made are in.
The chairs are made in Noida.
Why are the chairs made in Khurja?
Because there are his that is so.
And how many showrooms are there at Khurja?
There are so many showrooms in Khurja.
And which chair do you have?
I have my company chair.
Mm,
Tara company chair.
how many chairs are there in factory?
There are so many chairs in factory.
And do you have a book?
Yes, I book.
Which book do you have?
I have English.
And where did you purchase the English book from?
I purchased the English book from Sunday.
And where are the books made?
The books made in Noida.
Why are the books made at Khurja?
Because there are so many companies.
Is it your father who teach you English?
Yes,
Yes, it's my father.
What does your father do?
My father doing farming.
And what does your father want to be?
My father want to be a doctor.
Do you have any degree?
Yes,
No,
I
I
have
don't have
Okay. Do you have as many books as Kananya?
No, I
Yes,
don't
I
have
have
any.
How many books does he have?
He has two books.
one book.
Would you like to do doctor or be a doctor?
Yes, I would like to be a doctor.
Mm, do you have as many books as Kananya?
No, I don't have as many books as Kananya.
Is it you who play cricket?
Yes, yes, I do.
Is it you who teach English?
Yes, it is.
Yes, I am.
Where are the books printed?
The books are printed in.
Why are the books printed at Khurja?
Because there is a printing.
And was there nothing but books?
Yes, there were nothing but books.
Okay. Do you have a smartphone?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
have.
How many smartphone do you have?
I have only one smartphone.
Where did you purchase the smartphone from?
Purchased by smartphone.
Why did you purchase the smartphone from
There
Khurja?
are so many.
And which is the best shop at Kakur?
I don't know. There are so many books.
And do you have as many phones as Akash?
No, I don't have as many.
Does he know how to operate the mobile?
Yes, he knows how to operate mobile.
And are you on speaking term with Akash?
Yes, I am speaking to Akash.
How is he related to you?
He is my friend.
And where does he come from?
He comes from Sansaneta.
And do you have as many cars as Aman?
Yes, I have.
Where are the cars made?
The cars are made in Noida.
Why are the cars made in Noida?
There are companies.
And how many companies are there in Khurja?
There are so many companies.
And which is the best company at Khurja? Oh, in Noida.
I don't know, but there are so many
So
good
many
good companies.
Do you have as many cars as Akash?
Yes, I have as many cars as Akash.
Which car do you like most?
Like BMW M5 series.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I know how to drive.
And does Akash know how to drive?
No, Akash doesn't know how to drive.
And how is Akash related to you?
Akash has many.
And what does he do?
Adam,
What does Akash do?
doing his study.
Okay. He's not only tell a lie, but also steals.
Yes, you are right.
Yes, you are right. It's not only tell a lie, but also a steal.
Steal.
He does not only tell.
He doesn't. He doesn't tell a lie. Uh, would you like to play cricket?
Yes, I like to play cricket.
What would you like to play cricket?
I like to play cricket. Pardon?
Why would like to? What would you like to play cricket?
Because I like to play cricket.
Okay. Mm. And how many players are there in cricket team?
There are very cricket.
What were you doing while standing on the road?
I was talking to someone while
my
standing
friend
on
while
the road.
standing.
Mm, mm, is, th- is this the same car that you purchased from Khurja?
No, this is not same card that I purchased from.
Can you run?
Yes, I can run.
Can you walk?
Yes, I can walk.
Could you have gone to Khurja?
Yes, I could have gone to Khurja.
Um, when could you have gone to Khurja?
I could have gone.
I could have gone to Khurja before last month.
Could you not go to Agra?
Yes, I could not go to Agra.
Could you not go to gym?
Yes, I could not go.
When could you not go to gym?
I could not go to gym last week.
And there was there nothing but water?
Yes, there was nothing.
How about go to gym?
That's good.
Yes.
Have you ever gone to gym?
Yes, I have.
When have you gone to gym?
I have gone to gym.
Uh, have you ever seen the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have seen the Taj Mahal.
When have you seen the Taj Mahal?
I've seen the Taj Mahal last year.
Do you have car?
Yes, I have.
How many cars does he have?
Yes, only one car.
Where does he? Would you like to be a player?
Yes, I would like to.
Is this the same book that you purchased from Noida?
Yes, this is the same book that I purchased.
And do you have as many books as Akash?
Yes, I have.